Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mr. Kevin Harada and Mr. Fahran Nazarullah Eskom, and my beloved friend. I'm happy to see you all. First of all, let us introduce our. I'm Hakimatul Basyair from class 166 from group 3. And today I'm with my partner, Assyifa Azwani and Naufal Rafliansyah. So today we will discuss about our Excel project, which is about our bookstore project. And the purpose of this project is to simplify the financial and sale report of our project bookstore without doing the selling process manually. So we have our table books here, and in our list of books consists of price list of books has 5 columns, namely there is ID book, title, profit, purchase price, and selling price. We didn't add any formulas or features. And then we have our table book stock here, and list of stock book table has 5 columns, namely there is ID book, book title, asset stock, amount of our available book, and amount of our book sold. We use VLOOKUP in the book title column to make it efficient and easier to add the book title.
Next is pivot table. In pivot table, there is row labels, sum of asset stock, sum of amount of book sold, and grand total. The function of pivot table is make data simpler, and there is a slicer. The function of slicer is we can choose any data and the data will show in pivot table. And there is a pivot chart. If we choose data in slicer 2, we can look the chart in pivot chart. Next is book sold in month. In book sold in month, there is ID book, book title, quantity sold in first week until quantity sold in fourth week, total quantity, max and min quantity sold, average quantity sold, price, total price, and simple sales chart. In book title, we use VLOOKUP. The data in book title we use from table book. In total quantity, we use some formula. The formula is equal to sum. In max, equal to max. In min quantity sold, we use equal to min. And in average, we use equal to average. And for the price, we use equal to VLOOKUP. The data is from table book 2. For the total price, we use equal to product. And simple sales chart. For the simple sales chart, we use line, and the data is from quantity sold in first week until quantity sold in. Okay, next is book purchase in month. For book purchase in month, there is month, supplier, ID book, book title, total quantity, purchase price, and total price. And last is total purchasing cost. For book title, we use VLOOKUP. The data is from table book. For total quantity, we use VLOOKUP 2. It's the data from table book stock. And purchase price, we use VLOOKUP 2. The data is from table book. And for the total price, we use some formula. The formula is equal to product. And for the total purchasing cost, we use formula 2. The formula is equal to. Okay, last from me is profit table. In profit table, there is book ID, total selling price per item, total purchase price per item, tax, shipping, total SP, gross profit, and net profit. For total selling price, we use VLOOKUP. It's from book sold in month. For total purchase price, we use VLOOKUP too. We use from book purchase in month 2. For tax, we use some formula. The formula is equal to product. For shipping, for total SP, we use formula 2. The formula is equal to sum. For gross profit, we use formula 2. Example is equal to B2 minus C2. For net profit, we use formula 2. The formula is equal to G2 minus sum D2 and E2 until E2.
Okay, next I will explain about employee biodata. In employee biodata, there is ID employee, employee name, employee gender, employee address, and employee phone number. There is nothing special in there. For the employee gender, we just use male or female. And next is employee salary. In employee salary, there is ID employee, employee name to, employee gender, employee address to, and employee phone number. There is nothing special in information. In information, we just use fixed salary or not fixed salary. And this is chart and trend line from book sold in month. This is from quantity sold in first week until quantity sold for week. Maybe that's all from our group presentation. Sorry if there are an error. Thank you for your attention.